Kate here with WTI, and if you're also looking for a reliable angle grinder, this one from DEWINNER is a winner. This angle grinder comes with a 20-volt fast charging battery. It's nice and lightweight, cordless obviously, which makes it portable and easy to use. It's got a really solid construction and it feels nice in your hand. It has a handle which is interchangeable, so if you want that extra stability, you can put it on the left or the right. It also comes with two different 4.5-inch wheels. So you have your grinding wheel and your cutting wheel. My husband has been really impressed with this for small projects around the house. It's nice to have the tool you need when you need it. Another thing that really impressed him was how quickly it stops. So here's what he had to say about it.
A lot of saws, when you do have the grinder going, they continue going for another 30 seconds. A lot of times people hit steel, stop it, then they can be done with it. With this one, it stops instantly. Amazing.
It's also very easy to swap out the wheels. It comes with a wrench so you can switch them out. We also really appreciated all the features that make this nice and secure. The guard is adjustable so you can swivel it in whatever direction you want. Every little detail is very well thought out. We've been really impressed with it and I'm sure you will too. Add this to your toolbox, and that's my point of view.